Alright, what's up everybody? So in this video I'm gonna do how to determine a cockbird from a hen, and this is my way of telling it. Usually I look at the head shape and then the nose. If it's more full like this and big poofy, then usually it's a cockbird. Although some cockbirds do have a smaller profile as well too. And here I have Moua. He's a 2014 bird. Just look at that nose. And then here I have a hen. The head is a little bit smaller, and then the nose is not as poofy, but it's more longer. I'll show another hen in here. Hen here, and her profile is almost like a cockbird. Her wattle is pretty big. But it's a 2016 hen. And I believe she's the only hen that has a big wattle. Yeah, so pretty much these are all hens. You can tell by the nose. A lot smaller, longer. And then let's go take a look at the cockbirds. Take a closer look at the nose. For some reason, these recessive reds, their profile is a little bit smaller, so they do look like hens. If you don't know and you're not sure, then just observe the pigeon. Usually a cockbird will coo and dance and spin a lot like that. And then usually the hens, they will just stay in an upright position. They won't coo at all. Frail hair, this is the cockbird, and I'm gonna put a hen for him. So this is what I was talking about. Here's a better look. Usually when a hen does that, then it means that she is interested in the cockbird. And as soon as she is ready, then she will sit down. And then the cockbird will get on top. But if a hen doesn't show sign like that, then that means she is not interested.